Hi doors! I'm going to Barbie Truck again today. Now I'm ready to leave. Let me show you my Barbie OOTD. Barbie jacket. See? It's pretty cold outside today, so yep, I'm wearing Barbie puffy jacket and Barbie ruffle skirt, the tulle skirt, and a pink lace-up boots with less pot sock Barbie. Today is cross party. Okay, I'm so excited, oh my gosh. Let's go. So I'm headed to Glendale. And it's Saturday, but traffic. LA traffic. But look at this sunny day. This blue sky just makes me happy. It's my third time to go to Barbie Truck thing. First time was in Kansas City and the second time was at the Grove for launching VIP party, which was one of the most awesome events I've ever been to. And today they are stopping at Glendale Galleria. So I'm here at Glendale Galleria right now, and look, Barbie Truck event. Here I come. Such a pretty day today. There's someone I know. Mona! Mona! Hey Mona! Hi! Hi! Hi Mona!
Hi, I'm one of a kind accountant Barbie. AK accountant Barbie. Hi.
Oh my god, this is so cute! Hi! Look at her! I love how she coordinated herself today. Barbie shirt, Barbie jacket. Is that one from Target?
Yes.
It's a full kid size, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my god, it looks so cute on you. Ooh, I love it. How cute. She brought this cute thing for me. Oh my god. She said it's from Russia. Wow. Can I open it?
Sure.
Sweet box. It has gummies? Cute. I got her. I got this girl.
I mean, I'll meet up.
Get on Barbie Truck.
Oh, we are? Everybody was like, I was like, you know.
Holy shit.
So,
Getting some. Remember, I got Barbie denim jacket with airbrush. So I got something. Actually, it's for gift for my friends in Japan. So yeah, it's not really for me. So what are you guys doing here?
We came to the Barbie Truck tour, but we are getting our dolls ready to go to Sprinkles. We're gonna go get some cupcakes.
Perfect. Perfect Barbie day.
Put up with ours.
They are doing like Barbie shoot. Now we are going to Sprinkle to get some cupcakes.
There's an actual store in Jimmy Rock. It's really nice. But this one's more like
Sprinkles. Which one?
like looking for your red velvet.
Red velvet, huh? I need some ice cream. Got his doll.
Apparently,
It's gorgeous. I love how you styled her.
Thank you.
Her skin glows. Look like she just got her facial done. Oh my gosh, I was so busy to talk to my friends, so I'm sorry, but I really didn't film much. I know I'm so bad at doing this. They're still there. They are going to Bali next weekend. Okay, I came home. By the way, did you like my outfit today? It was kind of chilly, so yeah. It worked perfect with the cold weather. Like I mentioned earlier, it was my third Barbie Truck event. was so much fun as always. This time was not like party thing, so they didn't have any airbrush or anything. They were just selling merch. But I still got something. I know you're probably thinking like, Azusa, what are you still buying from there, right? I know. But this time, you know what? I only got a couple things for myself and others are for my friends. Anyway, so you know what? Today I really wanted to get more necklace, the Barbie logo necklace for myself. I already had one from last time, but I've been thinking about wearing a necklace with matching earrings. So to make earrings, I got 2 more today. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do DIY video sometime soon. So please look forward to seeing another DIY video. They gave me this Barbie bubble again. Barbie bubble. I love bubbles. I met some new Barbie people there. Yeah, we became friends. We went to grab some cupcakes and ice cream from Sprinkles. It was fun time. So they're gonna stop at different cities in futures. Right now, they're planning for next 3 years. Even if you're not living in California, but don't give up. They might come to your state. So I totally recommend to follow their account on Instagram, Barbie Truck Tour. Yeah, on this account, they always update the information. And this time I didn't see any new products yet. So they still have the baseball hat, denim jacket, t-shirt, coin purse, Barbie patch set, fanny pack, cosmetic bag, nail polish, tote bag, necklace. I didn't see Barbie cookie anymore. So for next weekend, they already announced the information for next week. Saturday, January 18th, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Valencia Town Center in California. So if you live closer, you might want to visit there. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have Pink Sask Barbie Day. Bye.